why did I give this buy signal on step index and the buy signal on VIX 25? Okay, you can see on step index, I gave the signal this morning. Okay, so I'll be telling you guys, I'll be analyzing and show you guys why I gave the buy call. Also, the VIX 25 that we are in profits. Currently, the trade is going on now in the VIP. Okay, so I'll be talking about my reasons for these two trades, and you can see we are winning already. Here on step index, we smashed TP1 and 2, 1:4 risk to reward ratio, and here again we have 1:3 risk to reward ratio, and we are in good profits on VIX 25. All right, so I gave these two calls today, all right, to my people. So now, first of all, we want to start with the step index. You know, I love analyzing my signals, okay, and what I want to be doing now from today on, I want to make sure that almost all the signals, it might not be all, but most of my signals will be analyzed, and I'll give you guys the reasons for the trade. That way, it will help you guys learn faster from my mistakes. If I win, let's say I won this particular trade, I'll talk about it. And if I lost, I'll still talk about it. Why did I lose? Okay, so that's what I'll be doing. So if you want to benefit from here, or you're seeing my video for the first time and you've never subscribed to this channel, please do so. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with friends, and also check the description box to join our free Telegram channel. Mentorship is going on, VIP signals is going on. If you join the free Telegram channel, you see the updates. Okay, so now, why did I give the buy signal on step index? All right, before I start, I want to go, as usual, I'll start from my daily time frame and I'll analyze it all the way down. Let me delete everything out. How's it going, guys? So, step index, like I said in the other video, step index is my best guy, my best indices. That's the indices I want to trade on this year, mostly this year. Why did I give the VIX 25? I gave the VIX 25 today because I was a bit hungry. If you check my post, the signal I gave on VIX 25, I told them I was hungry for more profits today because there's something I'm hoping to buy by next week, so I need to make more money. So I decided to take VIX 25, but I think this is my first time I'm taking VIX 25 this year. I started with step index. I've been taking step index, so I've decided to trade only step index and VIX 75 1s this year. Okay, but I might still add some other, maybe 2 or 3 to it, but I'll be trading mostly step index. Now, from daily time frame, you can see market has been moving, has been selling for a very long time. We've been having this downtrend, massive down movement. All right, so market has taken out this low very well. You can see the extension. Market has taken out this low properly, very well. So it's coming very strong. It was coming very strong to this resistance today. All right, it was coming very strong to the resistance today, since yesterday. So as usual, we want to mark out our key level here. We want to mark out our key level. We have a key level right there. Okay, this was untouched, very fresh zone. All right, this was fresh zone, and after marking our key zone, okay, you can see we have another level right here. This level right there. We have another level there. I think that's the level I took today. So we have this level right there. That's it. So after that, the market was around this zone. And I believe market broke out from this line, this key level, above this key level. Market was above this key level, and I knew that markets will be coming down to the key level after the breakout. It will pull back, then start looking for buying opportunity. So where would the market reverse from? You can see this is a key level as well, though it's on fresh key level. So I map out this key level as well, this level right there, so that the market that sorry guys, So the market that went above here will come back when it's doing the pullback into this level, and I will look for buying opportunity. Okay, so that's what's it. Okay, so I knew that market has broken this key level, this resistance, and we'll be expecting a pullback. Remember, when a resistance gets broken, it turns to a support in the future. Yeah, when a resistance got broken, when a resistance is broken, it turns to a support. It should be serving as a support in the future. So that's what happened here in the future, to come back to serve as a support. Market to come back so that this level will be confirmed a support. Okay, so now we had a break of this level. By the break of this level, we had to wait for a pullback, and that was the pullback I waited for. Then we start looking for another buying opportunity to the nearest resistance. So now, after doing this with the line chart, remember when you switch to line chart, it makes it very easy for you to know those key levels. Okay, but you can still do it with the candlesticks if you're okay. But this way, it helps people that are just coming into the market to actually easily identify those key levels. Okay, so what's the next thing to do now? We switch back to candlesticks. When we switch back to candlesticks, we now go down to 4 hours time frame. So here's our 4 hours time frame right here. Here's our 4 hours time frame. You can see what I'm saying. We had this break of structure. We had higher high, higher low, higher high. So there was a break right here. Market broke this level. Okay, so after breaking this level, what's going to happen? Markets will pull back to the nearest resistance, and which is this the nearest resistance. So we can adjust this like this. You can see this the nearest resistance. If you switch back again to line chart, you can see that market has been reversing around this zone. So that makes it the nearest resistance, sorry, support. Okay, the nearest key level. So market pull back to that key level. You see what happened at that very spot. Market started reversing from that very level. So now we've seen market dropping down to this support, this key level. So what else do? We need to look for an entry when it's doing the pullback. All right, when market is doing the pullback, we have to look for an entry. So we can switch down again to 1 hour time frame to see if it will give us the candlestick confirmation that will make the move. Now you can see that we had this confirmation. There was a very sweet confirmation right here, which is this guy, this candlestick. This is a reversal candlestick. Here's a reversal candlestick. All right, that's very candlestick. This bullish candlestick right here. This is a bullish reversal candlestick. We had these two bearish candlestick into this level, a bit of rejection here, and this one kissed the key level and rejected and closed bullish. So in situations like this, we see markets going up. Now market will only go up if we've gotten a break of structure already. Remember, there's a break of this level. There's a break of this level. Market gave us a new high. So market will coming down again to do a pullback before the next move. So now we were not opportune to catch it around this level. This would have been the best entry. This would have been our best entry, but we were not on the chart to take this very move, to catch this move to this very point, to this level. All right, so we were not on the chart to catch this very move to this level. So instead of us to enter there, I saw markets breaking this level. You can see this level got broken. Let me switch back to line charts. All right. Okay, you can see this level got broken. Market gave us a new high right there. So I waited for market to come into this level, this key level here that was spotted on the daily time frame. And you can see what happened. Market dropped back to this key level. And once market drops back to the key level, you don't just take the trade like that. You still need a confirmation. And you can see it's not really obvious on the 1 hour time frame. So which means you need to switch down, navigate down to your 30 minutes time frame or your 15 minutes time frame to look for that reversal candlestick. The whole idea is for you to jump into the market and it will start moving to your direction. Okay, so we see market dropped back to pull back to the key level. So what did I do? Since I did not get a good confirmation around here, I didn't really trust this candlestick, though it has given me a sign there's a rejection. I can see the level that is got rejected. I mean, the wick, this wick is longer than the body, the entire body. If you want to measure it properly, very well, you can see the body and the wick. This wick looks longer, especially to the downside, than the entire body, which means that buyers are in. They pull this market above this level that was got broken, above this level. You can see that. So it's above this support. All right. So now what I moved down to 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, on my 30 minutes time frame, we had this clean candlestick. Remember the same candlestick we saw on the 4 hours time frame. Was it on the 4 hours time frame around this level? Let's switch down to 4 hours time frame. Let's go back to 4 hours. I don't think it was 4 hours time frame. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. Nice. You see this candlestick? Take note of this candlestick. Take a look at this very candlestick, this bullish candlestick. See what it looks like. We have a wick up here, wick down here. This is what it looks like, right? On the 1 hour time frame. Let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. If we see the same thing, similar candlestick. Look at that. We have similar candlestick. We have similar candlestick here. And the market printed this candlestick. This was my confirmation today, and I gave the call around this level. We bought from here. So that's price action for you. Price action is just literally about what has been happening in the market. You take note of what has been happening in the market and use it to decide what's going to happen in the market again in the future, right? So that's price action for you. So we made that entry from that zone, from that level, this price, all the way up to this level. We took our first TP around here, around this level. We took our first TP somewhere here, this level, and we smashed the second TP. That was very simple. We made so much profit. I used $100 to make over $1,000. Okay, $100 to make over $1,000. So this is real. It's not a scam. It's something that happens. I give it to my to my VIP guys. All right, everybody are making money and everybody are happy. So that's how to make money. It's as simple as that. Okay. And another thing you really need to know is psychology, which that's what I'm teaching right now. So look at this. We have VIX 25. Wow. VIX 25 is back to our entry. This is our entry here on VIX 25. But let's see, since it has given us a break of this structure already, what's going to happen? What's going to happen, guys? What's going to happen, guys? So there's a break already. So let's see if it will come below the structure. It looks scary, man. It looks scary. So let's see on the daily time frame. Why did I give this call on the daily time frame? Why did I give this call on the daily time frame? Again, look at this candlestick, the previous daily candlestick, yesterday candlestick. See this candlestick? It looks like the one I just showed you guys now on the step index, 1 hour and 30 minutes time frame. Though this one is a long-legged doji, this is a long-legged doji. You can see why it's the long-legged doji. You can see the tail, this wick is very long and this other side here is long. So this is a long-legged doji. And also it's a bullish doji. It closed bullish. That's a good sign right there. It closed bullish. Okay, so now what happened when we saw that candlestick on the 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes and 30 minutes time frame on step index? The market started buying. Right, market started buying from this level. Market started buying already from this level. From this level. From here, market started buying from here, right? So now, market has given us the same candlestick right there. So what do? We want to know, why did this market start reversing from that place, from this level? Why did we have this pullback? Okay, so you can see here we had a break of this level. If on the daily time frame, this is a breakout right there. So we expect the market to do what? A pullback. After a breakout, there should be a pullback, all right, into that maybe range or something, wherever. Okay, so you can see there's a break of that level, then market pullback into this level. So now, what key level reversed this market? What level reversed this market? So we need to take note of that. We can switch down to line charts. On the line chart, we want to see what level reversed this market. We have a structure right here. You see the structure right there. I have a structure right there when market reversed before and reversed here. So maybe that's the reason market started reversing this time around. Look at that. You see the accuracy. Market started reversing. So market reversed here, here, and here, even here, about 4 times. And again, today, yesterday, right? So this is the reason this market started buying. So this is a key level. So it has the strength to reverse this market. So that's giving us that confidence that markets might start buying, reverse from there. So what do? We now see the same candlestick we saw on step index. Nice. So now we need to mark another key level around where we find an entry. So this is a key level where market closed. All right, that's a key level. Daily closing price. That's a key level right there. Now after that, we have to move down to lower time frame to see what is happening. How can we make money from this trade? How can we benefit from this trade, from the setup we are seeing now? So we go down to 4 hours time frame. Here's our 4 hours time frame right there. And market gave us this candlestick. It's mostly a reversal candlestick, but some people don't really know. It's mostly a reversal candlestick. It's mostly a reversal candlestick. So yeah, market gave us this candlestick. So we switch down again to 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, you can see that market, we are having a bullish trend already. All right, we're having a bullish trend already. We pull back into this level and started buying already. So we didn't make our entry right there on the 1 hour time frame. I went down to a more lower time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame. I went down to the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see right there we have this structure which I based my analysis. I don't know how to explain this, but that's an entry model. This is an entry model. So after the break here, we need to wait for market to come down to a level like this place here. You can see what happened. Market gave us exactly what we expected and started reversing and printed this bullish engulfing candlestick. What does that mean? What does that tell? After a break of this level, after a break of this structure, after the break of this structure, what does that mean? That means that buyers are in and market printed this bullish engulfing candlestick. So that was our confirmation, and we started buying somewhere right there and SL below, and we targeted this high right there. So I think 1:3, yeah, 1:3. So this was our entry right here, and 1:3, and our target is somewhere up here. Our target is somewhere up here. Yeah, it was 1:3.4 RR. So that's our setup. All right, just that we didn't see it on time, I would have taken it from this low, but we took it from here. So that's it. As simple as that. As simple as that. As simple as that. So the academy is open for everybody. If you're struggling, whether you've been into trading for a while but you cannot make consistent profit, the platform is open. You can chat me up, check the description box to chat me up for mentorship program. Okay, let me teach you how to do this analysis. It's not really hard, and then I'll teach you psychology, risk management, and everything you need to know about trading. Okay, 2026, everybody should close the year as professional trader, not just professional traders, as successful traders. Okay, so I think that will be all for now. Please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. Let's meet again in the next video. I think the next video should be about risk management, because people are requesting for risk management. That's what I'll be doing next. Thank you guys. Bye bye.